Hello friends and welcome. Today's video is on mango pickle, an onam special recipe. This is a recipe that we can make very easily at our homes. If you like the video, remember to like, comment and share. Welcome to all friends to a new video of Chef Joji. To prepare mango pickle, 2 mangoes have been taken here. First, I'm peeling the skin of this mango. The skin is all removed now. Now let's slice it. First, I'm slicing it thinly like this. Now I'm cutting it lengthwise like this. This is called julienne cutting. Then I turn it over and chop it finely. Now all the mangoes are cut. Add the required salt to it. Now mix it well. After mixing, cover it and keep it aside for at least 30 minutes. Now I have taken a small cup. I'm taking the required chili powder for this. Take 3 tablespoons of Kashmiri chili powder, 1 tablespoon of regular chili powder, half a teaspoon of fenugreek powder, and half a teaspoon of asafoetida powder. Now set this aside. Now to prepare the mango pickle, take a pan. When the pan is hot, add gingerly oil to it. About 3 tablespoons of gingerly oil have been taken here. When the oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and let them splutter. When the mustard seeds have spluttered, add 2 dry red chilies and 2 sprigs of curry leaves. Now add the powders that we have set aside. Mix it quickly. You should also turn off the stove at this time. When the powders are roasted, add the sliced mangoes to it. Now mix it well. Mix it so that the masala reaches all parts of the mango. You can taste it and add more salt and asafoetida if needed. I'm adding about 1 tablespoon of vinegar to it. It is optional. Add it only if needed. Again, mix it well. The vinegar was added after it had cooled down. Now the traditional tasting mango pickle, which can be served with an onam feast, is ready here. This mango pickle is an item that we can all make very easily at our homes. I hope you all liked this video on mango pickle. If you liked it, remember to like, comment and share. If you're watching this channel for the first time, remember to subscribe to the channel and follow the page. There are a lot of old videos on Chef Joji's YouTube channel and Facebook page, so try to watch them. So I will be back soon with a new video. Until then, bye-bye.